In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add certifications on LinkedIn. Having a comprehensive profile can make all the difference in showcasing your professional achievements, and certifications play a crucial role in this. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged into your LinkedIn account, the first thing you'll want to do is click on your profile icon. This is typically located at the top of your LinkedIn homepage on the right-hand side. Clicking on your profile icon will give you a drop-down menu. From here, select the option that says View Profile. This will navigate you to your personal profile page where you can make edits and updates. Once you are on your profile page, look for the Add Profile section button. It's usually prominently displayed within your profile. Click on this button. A drop-down menu should appear with various options to enrich your profile. Under these options, click on Recommended. This will show you additional sections that LinkedIn encourages you to add to your profile for a more complete representation of your professional skills and achievements. In the Recommended section, you will see Add Licenses and Certifications. Click on this option. A form will appear that you need to fill out. This is where you will enter the details of your certification. Make sure to enter the certification name correctly. This is crucial for searchability and recognition by those viewing your profile. Then enter the issuing organization. It's best to type in this field slowly, as LinkedIn might offer suggestions to ensure the issuer is correctly entered. You will also need to enter the issue date. This is the date on which you officially received your certification. If your certification has an expiration date, you will want to enter that as well. In case your certification does not expire, make sure to select the option indicating that it is permanent. There may also be a field for a credential ID and URL, which you should fill out if the certifying body provides them. These additional pieces of information can provide authenticity and allow anyone viewing your profile to verify your credentials directly, if applicable. Once you have double-checked all the information and ensured it is accurate, click on the Save button to update your LinkedIn profile with your new certification. This button is usually at the bottom of the certification form. By adding certifications to your LinkedIn profile, you're making it more robust and giving viewers more insight into your professional qualifications. Congratulations, your LinkedIn profile now reflects your achievements more thoroughly.